Hello YouTubers and all of you Thomas fans alike, it's ThomasZoey3000 here, and I'm back to do a review video. It's been a while since I've done a review video. Yeah, quite a while. Anyways, today I'm going to be reviewing my brand new Push and Puff Percy. Yep, this is one of the many items I got for Christmas, and for the time being, the only one I'm going to unbox. As you know, everything else is going to remain in the packaging. Except for the Thomas DVDs. I'll be watching them a little later today. So yeah, I'm going to unbox Push and Puff Percy today. And I'll couple them up to Push and Puff Thomas a little later. Yep, but that's later. Right now, let's have a good look at the box. There's the Push and Puff Percy name right there. A nice little CGI profile picture of Percy there. And there's Thomas up there. Try me. Okay, I'll try you. I'll try him out again when he's out of the box. Now let's turn the box around. And here's the back end. We got Percy, Thomas, and Victor. I still haven't found Victor yet. Oh well, I'm sure I'll find him soon. But if you look closely at Percy's prototype here, his cab window is green, not black. Yet the actual model has a black interior. Yeah. Still. Yeah, it's a really cool model, and I'm glad to have a take and play Percy with the new style magnets. I am used to the new style magnets now. I'm willing to give them a good chance. Yeah. And I know for next year there's the new Oliver, Philip, Bert, and the new 4-pack which will come with Percy, Whiff, Scruff, and I think a truck comes along with them. I'm not sure. I have to do some research again. Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting those. But in the meantime, let's get Percy out of the box here. Bet many of you had this happen to you before, huh? Oh well, I still like the new style packaging. Okay. Take Percy out of the plastic. And there we go. The new Push and Puff Percy. I think that's also a new style face compared to his old 2013 model. I don't have my 2013 model in my room right now. It's back in my entertainment room. Maybe one day I'll do a comparison between the two. As I've noticed with my Thomas, he does have a different face compared to his 2013 model. Yeah. Anyway. Love that face. No paint buffers. Again, I can do that later. I didn't do it on Thomas. I know I said I was going to, but haven't really gotten around to do it. No paint cylinder. Oh. It's still a nice shade of green. The number 6. Black bunker. And you can see his little domes. And you can just see a little whistle there. And there's the back end of Percy. The other side. Yeah. And now the underside. It says Percy. And it was made in 2014. Yep. Let's see. Pretty good roller. Like always. I love the new style wheels on the Take and Place. Take and Place and minis, I should be saying. Yep. It's a really nice model of Percy. And now, let's make him steam. Yeah. Oh, that's Push and Puff Percy. And now, let's try coupling him up to Thomas. Well, you can't couple them up face to face anymore. Oh well. But you can couple them up like this. Kind of reminds me of a scene from a really serious story called Rabbits. You know, where Percy pulls Thomas back down the branch line. Stuck to my watch there. After Thomas is re-railed. So yeah, that's my Push and Puff Percy. A really nice model. Sorry, Thomas. And I'm very happy to have this Percy. Yep. Of course, my other new Taken Plays will remain in the boxes, like I said. If I get any doubles of them, I'll be sure to take them out of the box. Because I am planning on getting a lot more Taken Plays in 2016. Including the new models, like I said. Especially the one on Bert. Yeah, Bert the miniature engine. I can't wait till he comes out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I still haven't decided if I'm going to open up that Thomas with speed activated sound yet. I'll let you guys know in due time. Until then, that's it for this little review. I'm not sure when I'll be doing another video, probably in 2016. Who knows? So until then, I'm ThomasZoey3000. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm signing off.